Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to cook simple meals. We will begin with perfectly scrambled eggs, a fantastic starting point for any beginner cook. First, crack 2 or 3 eggs into a bowl, add a splash of milk or water and a pinch of salt and pepper. Whisk them until well combined and light yellow. Heat a non-stick pan over medium-low heat, add a pat of butter, then pour in the egg mixture. Cook gently, stirring occasionally until the eggs are softly set. Serve immediately for a quick, satisfying dish. Next, let's make a straightforward pasta with a simple tomato sauce. Bring 4 cups of water to a rolling boil in a medium pot, add 1 teaspoon of salt, then cook 150 grams of your favorite pasta for about 8 to 10 minutes. While pasta cooks, gently warm 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a pan. Add 1 minced garlic clove, cooking for 30 seconds until fragrant. Pour in 1 can of crushed tomatoes, simmer for 5 minutes, then toss with the drained pasta. Garnish with fresh basil or grated Parmesan for a delicious finish. For a more substantial, yet incredibly simple meal, try one-pan chicken and vegetables. Preheat your oven to 200 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit. On a large baking sheet, toss bite-sized chicken breast pieces with chopped broccoli, carrot slices, and bell pepper. Drizzle with 2 tablespoons of olive oil, seasoning with 1 teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, salt, and pepper. Roast for 20 to 25 minutes until the chicken is cooked through and vegetables are tender. This is a complete, flavorful meal with minimal cleanup. To confidently cook these simple meals, ensure you have a few essential kitchen basics. A good nonstick pan, a sturdy cutting board, a sharp knife, and a reliable spatula are invaluable. For your pantry, stock staples like olive oil, salt, pepper, garlic, onions, and canned tomatoes. Having these readily available means you are always prepared to whip up something delicious without a last-minute store trip. You truly do not need many expensive gadgets to start creating great, easy food.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.